Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks, and somebody's trying to do this with multicolored connecting fonts and an outline around it. Pretty easy and pretty cool if you printed this on a t-shirt. So first what we need to do is join these letters together kind of, so we'll take the shape tool and with this right here, we'll just get it where all the letters are touching. And then we're going to Control K and break it apart. Then every letter now is separated, so we can make it whatever color we want. And that's good. And then this is done with the transformation docker. So we need to group these together. Control G to group them together. Then when we open the transformation docker, you get, or transformation tool, you get this slide bar and you can kind of see. And this is what they're wanting to do. They want to be able to see it, but they want an outline so it'll kind of show off. As you can see, there's no weld tools, but if we go to object and shaping and boundary, we put a boundary around it, make it a little thicker so it shows off, but it's only putting a boundary around the outside of the letters, and that's what they want, because they want to be able to see those that's where it's actually making them translucent, so they will appear that way. And we move that boundary out of the way, as you can see it. You can still go back to the transformation docker. You could probably even do that without it, but it really helps to have this stand off with the writing around it. And let's say you were going to print this on a yellow t-shirt. We'll make this yellow, and then we'll go to object, order, back a page, and that's what it would look like on a yellow t-shirt. It would really make those letters stand out. I personally probably wouldn't have that line that thick. I'd maybe go like that to make it stand out. But that's pretty cool when it's taking this, whatever color we pick for that, and it's making a purple. And this is making a darker green than the lighter green. I don't remember picking that color. We'll go back and see what color we picked. You know what? When you print it on a shirt, that's not what it's going to look like, is it's going to transform that yellow color. So what you could do is take the Smart Fill tool, and let's put yellow, and go to options and no outline, and then click on that. That's what it's going to look like on a t-shirt. So you still got those original colors, because it'll print on top of those. I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.